Asuntosköyhtiö säästö Kaitans.
Today it's the 27th of October 2022 and we have Iivisniemenkatu. Iivisniemenkatu, 4 staircase, was it F?
Yeah.
Yeah, and F, next to last staircase in the residential building, the G is the last one, which will be soon. And the metro, last stretch of the metro line so far is 4 years late and will be opened in just about a month from now, 3rd of December. This was also built in 1970 and 50 and sold in 2020. So yeah, it was Iivisniemenkatu, but the metro station should have been named Iivisniemenkatu as this district. And the Sherbrooke is 18319. So of course, this has 2 rides and it's going to be inspected next year, 2023.
Yeah. Tiet pak vai? Meitä pasilla.
That's it, and thank you very much. Let's go to the last tickets and this passenger building.
Yeah. That's